If you told me there's something in our body that can basically restore biological youth that big pharma cannot capitalize on, I'd say you're crazy. But epitalon might just be that. Let's talk about it. Basically, your cells are like a copy machine and they use DNA and they copy over and over and over. Well, the copy machine starts to degrade and it's called telomere shortening. So once the telomeres get too short, they don't divide anymore. No more copies. So basically, they turn into these zombie cells or senescent cells. They're not really alive, they're not dividing or doing anything productive, but they also don't die. They just sit there releasing this toxic stuff into your nearby cells, just infecting everything around them, wasting energy, not doing anything good. As you age, the telomerase gets turned off. Epitalon reactivates telomerase. So, all of a sudden, lifespan is extended. They've seen 42% lifespan extension. That's like instead of living to 79, you live to 113. And it's not like you're withering away, barely hanging on. No, stronger, sturdier, healthier, happier. This is crazy. It also increases your metabolism, gives you the energy to be doing all these processes. Epitalon also enhances the thymus, which starts shrinking as we get older, and stops helping your liver create these enzymes. Basically, there's something called T4, and it's an inactive enzyme in your liver. And epitalon helps your thymus reactivate in order to turn that inactive T4 into active T3. This means instead of you being tired, fat, low energy, brain fog, you're active, lean, clear-headed. It literally makes the difference. So with epitalon, you only have to do it once a day for 10 days, 2 or 3 times a year. This is a no-brainer for me. Peptides are so interesting, and if there's something already in your body, I'm going to go with that instead of big pharma, some synthetic compound just addressing the symptoms instead of the root problems. I'm not trying to get old. Come on. We're trying to live forever. We live in Never Never Land.